Maria, I have been studying English since 3 years.
Wait. John. Did you say since 3 years?
Yes? Is that wrong?
It's a very common mistake. Today, we are fixing a since vs for a once and for all.
Okay, I'm ready. Why was it wrong?
Because a since is for a starting point. For is for a length of time.
So, how do I know which one to use?
Ask yourself, am I talking about when it started? Or how long it has been?
Let's try my sentence. 3 years is how long, not when.
Exactly. So you should say, I have been studying English for 3 years.
Got it. For equals length of time. What about since?
Since is for a specific moment in the past. Like a date, a day, or an event. For example, a since 2020, a since Monday, a since I was a baby.
Let's test this. Sentence 1, I have known her ____ 2015.
2015 is a starting point. So,
I have known her since 2015.
correct. Sentence 2, we have waited ___ 2 hours.
2 hours is a length of time. So, we have waited for 2 hours.
Excellent. Sentence 3, he has been asleep ___ he came home.
He came home is a specific event, moment. So, he has been asleep since he came home.
Perfect. Sentence 4, they have lived here ___ a long time.
A long time is a duration. So, they have lived here for a long time.
Amazing. Let's try a conversation. John, how long have you lived in this city?
I have lived here for 5 years. I moved here in 2019.
Oh, so you have been here since 2019?
Yes. And I have had this job for 2 years. I started it since last January.
Wait. Started it since? No. You started it in January. But you have had the job since January.
Right. Since January because January is the starting point.
Exactly. Quick review. Since equals starting point. When? For equals duration. How long?
Memory trick. Since equals start. For equals forever, length.
Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say since 5 years. Say for 5 years. Don't say for 2010. Say since 2010.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria English Listening, and share it with a friend who mixes up time words.
And practice time. In the comments, tell us, how long have you studied English? Use a for or a since. We'll read every comment.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, time tells you which word to use.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.